guys, up to yesterday, I was discussed with you about the two algorithms about paging segment about the paging. One is about first come first out service. Another one is the optimal requirement or the optimal replacement. Today, you're gonna learn about least recently used replacement. Now, what is actually recently used replacement? This algorithm is represented or to calculate the page height, page fault, and to give the value of reference string are always same as like as the previous one about the previous algorithm. For the reference string, first you take this first four values 7012. After that, you take total 20 after total 20 reference string. First of all, you have to remember you must have to take total 20 reference string. Why total 20 reference string? Because your last row have total 20 columns. So according to last row, you must have to take total 20 reference string. After taking 20 reference string, your first four value will be 7012. After that, you can take any of the value from this table, but you have to remember on your mind that after 7012, which new numbers is come. That new numbers are 3, 4. These two numbers, so you have to remember your 3, 4 must be present in the reference string. Otherwise, you can take any total 16 numbers. First 7012, then any total 16 number you can take as reference string. And page hit means how many pages you don't need to be replaced. That is called page hit. That these page numbers you don't need to change at all, because this page number is related with the other process also. So you don't need to replace it. So that is called page hit. And page fault means that the page number that you need to replace for your another process. That is called the page fault. Now least recently used replacement means that in my computer, I have a lots of application software. So among of those application software, which application software actually I used minimum number of time, not the maximum, the minimum number of time which application software actually I use. So according to it, the minimum number of time or the least number of time the application software I will use, so those application software page will be exchanged by the application software which is using regularly. That is called the least recently used replacement. So guys, in this slide, if you have any question, you can ask. The last algorithm that you need to learn, which is most recently used replacement. Most recently used replacement is just the opposite of least recently used replacement. So say for example, in my computer, the most recently used application software which I always use, that is the PowerPoint slide and this Google Chrome. These two things I have always used in my computer. Now, I want to run another application software which is VirtualBox. That is the least recently used application software in my computer. So, already my cache memory is filled up with the page table. So it will fill up with the page table for the my Google Chrome and my PowerPoint slide. Now it will replace with the page table that I most recently used. So I most recently used is my Google Chrome browser. My maximum time process that I use in my computer, that is my Google Chrome browser. So it will replace the page with my virtual box and it create the page for the virtual box. That is called most recently used replacement. And to calculate the page hit, page fault and reference string all are same as like as previous. So guys, in this slide or up to this slide, if you have any question you can ask. So the next week I will provide you the suggestion about your oral exam.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell.
ma'am, will you provide some suggestion for written exam, ma'am?
No guys, no suggestion for written because written question will not done by me.
Okay, ma'am.
Serial 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
4, 5,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Yes, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Yes, madam.
10, 11,
Yes,
12,
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
11.
ma'am. Ma'am, 12
13,
present.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 15, 16,
Yes, ma'am.
17, 18, 19,
Yes, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21, 22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Yes, ma'am.
24,
Yes, ma'am.
25,
Ma'am, 25 present, ma'am. She has network issue.
okay, 26, 27,
Yes, ma'am.
28,
Yes, ma'am.
29,
Yes, ma'am.
30, 31,
Yes, ma'am.
32,
Ma'am, 31 disconnected, ma'am.
32,
Yes, ma'am.
33,
Yes, ma'am.
34,
Present, please.
35,
Ma'am, he was present.
36, 37,
Yes, ma'am.
38, 39,
Yes, ma'am.
40,
Present, ma'am.
41,
Yes, ma'am.
42.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, any more left?
Yes, ma'am. 14 present.
Any more, guys?
Ma'am, 26.
Yeah,
Okay.
26 I guess.
Okay.
Any more?
Thank you.
Okay, guys. So that's all for today. You can leave the classroom. Thank you, guys.
Okay, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.